Hi friends, today we will tell you how to use the Zanussi 7 kg fully automatic front loading washing machine. So this is the display section of the machine where you can set the timer and the display will tell you the temperature, and that is the detergent loading section, and this is the front door where you will have to put in the clothes for wash. So now let's just see how to use this machine. So first of all, this is the power knob. So as you can see, this is in off mode right now, and on the right side are all the wash cycles which you can select based on the type of clothes you want to wash. For example, if you select the cotton cycle, the display will show you that the cotton cycle is at 60-degree temperature, and the duration, this is the duration, is 4 hours 5 minutes for the cycle. If I want to play it like this, then I just have to click on start button, but I am showing you other options as well. The next cycle that you can select is the economy cycle, which is 4 hours 20 minutes. So if you don't have cotton clothes to wash, you have mixed synthetics, you have to select the synthetic options, which is 2 hours 40 minutes. If you don't have cotton clothes to wash, you can select synthetic option, which is 2 hours 40 minutes. For woolens, select the wool option, which is 1 hour 20 minutes. Similarly for delicates, 150. For mix, if you have like a lot of mixed clothing like cotton, polyester and a lot of other clothes, select the mix. The one that I normally used is the Super Eco, which is the 45-minute cycle and the quickest cycle of all for washing the clothes. So this is for the powder or liquid detergent section if you are not using a capsule for detergent. So you just pull it out like this. So this is the section where you put your liquid detergent or your powder detergent, and this is the fabric softener section. Once you put in the detergent, you close the section, select the timer, for example cotton, put in the clothes and click start. If you have detergent in the form of a capsule like this, then you don't have to put it at the top in the detergent section. You can just put it directly before loading the clothes in the front loading section like this. After putting the detergent capsule, now you can start loading the clothes. So these are all the dirty clothes I am loading. So I'll just fill it up with dirty clothes and then I'll show you how to play the wash cycle. So now as you can see, I have fully loaded the machine with soiled clothes, and now I'll close the door. So the wash cycle begins. Remember, no clothes should be trapped in this pipeline, otherwise the cloth can get torn off during the wash. Now we close the door. Now as I told you, I will start washing the clothes. So this is the wash. Once they are washed, then we will do the dry cycle. So I'll wash the clothes first at Super Eco at 45-minute cycle, and I'll click the start button. This means the door is now locked for the wash cycle, the key symbol, and it will only open once the wash cycle is complete. Let's see how the clothes are now washing. So now the clothes are washing. Once they are washed after 45 minutes, we will show you how to dry the clothes using the left side options. Now the wash cycle is complete and we can begin to dry the clothes. So we move it back to the starting position, the knob. This is the starting position. So these are the drying options. We normally dry at either cotton dry, which is showing starting time of 12 minutes. You can increase the time. You can also select synthetic dry or wool dry depending on the type of clothes. Given I have mixed laundry, I'll select synthetic dry. The time, by default the drying time is showing 12 minutes, which I will now increase depending on how warm you want the clothes. I normally select 30 minutes. So the timer is now set for drying. So this symbol is for drying for 40 minutes. And now I click start. So the drying cycle of 30 minutes is over, and as you can see, the clothes are dried now. For the dried clothes, so you can actually select auto dry cycle of 2 hours, which is almost cupboard storage clothes. So that's a longer cycle, and it's gonna give you very warm and extra dry clothes. So this is how you wash and dry clothes in a fully automatic machine. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube video and my channel. Thank you.